Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn this 2x10 into this blanket ladder. So stay tuned. After measuring the first piece to 14 inches with two 4-degree angles on it, clamp it in place. Take a measurement down 12 inches. Take a measurement from one side to the other. And keep doing that for every subsequent one. I hope you enjoyed this video on how to make a blanket ladder. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you hit the like button and share it with a friend. If you want to see more from me, click the box up here to see another video, or click the circle over here to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.